In this video, I will quickly show you how to work on Fiverr to sell services online and earn money. First, go to the Fiverr website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free using your email or Google account. Once you are inside, click the Become a Seller option to set up your seller profile. Next, complete your profile by adding a photo, description, and the skills you can offer. Then create a gig, which is the service you want to sell, such as design, programming, translation, or video editing. Enter a title for the service, add a clear description, and set your price. You can also upload images or examples of your work to attract more clients. After publishing the gig, it will be available for people searching for that type of service. When someone places an order, you can communicate with the client using Fiverr chat and deliver the work through the platform. Working on Fiverr allows you to offer services online and reach clients worldwide. And that's it. Now you know how to work on Fiverr easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.